Barry Norman Goldberg, high school graduate. Turns out my brother was right. It really was the end of an era. And man, it went by in a flash. The nerdy love of my life was about to go off to college and start a new nerdy life without me. As for Barry and his friends, it seemed like their high school adventures would never end. But in a blink, they were all grown up and ready for the future. Kind of reminds me of something my dad used to say. The days are long, but the years are short. And watching my brother and his friends celebrate on that stage, I finally understood what he meant. I know I always said I couldn't wait till Barry left for college, but the truth is, he was my best friend, and I'd miss him. But that's life. One era had ended, but an even better one was about to begin.
Well, we're off, but don't worry, sir. I'll take great care of her. Always.
Yeah, but she'll take even better care of you.
Got you something for your trip.
What is this thing?
It's called a mobile telephone device.
That summer, we all grew up more than we expected.
You're gonna call me every hour on the hour.
My mom learned to let go a little bit more. Erica finally had a plan to go back to school. And for once, Jeff didn't have a plan at all.
Let's ride.
Next year, we were all headed into uncharted territory, but turns out it'd be the greatest year of my life. Of course, when I look back, I don't always get the details right, but there's one thing I do know. It was 1980-something, and it was perfect.